Well, hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another Trucker Tim. Well, not a vlog, but a Trucker Tim video on YouTube. Woohoo! I'm just leaving this lay-by now on the A15. Let's go! Been a long time since I said that on a YouTube. We're off. We're fully loaded. We've just been up to Scunthorpe to swap a skip over. Quick skip change. You can just see the skip there on the back. I'm now going back to the yard. I'm going to tip this, park this up, then get in the spare lorry because I hope you're not too shaky up there. Get in the spare lorry. Yeah, get in the spare lorry because my lorry's in for service today. So we'll get in the spare lorry, get a trailer on it, and then just going to a job in March, local job, pick up a load of cardboard. So yeah, if you've seen my TikTok this morning, yeah, I'm going to try and put this video on today, see how I get on with that. But yeah, if you'd seen my TikTok this morning, you would have seen that I laid late this morning. Yeah, oh no. Yeah, I laid late. I should have started at 3:30, started about 5:30. So yeah, just a 2-hour lay-in this morning. But that's good. Well, it's not good. It doesn't really matter. I ain't got a lot on today, but it just means I'll finish later. But I obviously needed the sleep because I set my alarm and it went off at about 5 to 3-ish. And I didn't snooze it. I just stopped it and went back to sleep. And then I woke up and was like, ah! What's the time? Oh, 5 o'clock. Never mind. These things happen. But yeah. I usually go a long time without laying late. Like, I usually go quite a while without laying late. Then I have one day where I'm late really late. Every so often, once every few months. It just happens sometimes. I just get tired. It's rare for it to happen on a Tuesday though. It's usually towards the end of the week, like a Thursday, Friday. When I'm tired. Yeah, sun's bright. I like driving this skip lorry better because this skip lorry's got a sun visor here, but the other one hasn't. It's a pain. Coming in a bit hot here, Tim. Oh, need my brakes. There we go. Beast. We're off. So yeah, I haven't been on YouTube for quite a while. I posted the footage of the firework display, the live footage, but that's the first one I've done for like ages. It weren't really a YouTube video, I just like downloaded the live from TikTok and whacked it on YouTube. But this is going to be a bit more of a vlog. It's not really a vlog, it's just like a video, little update video, and just to say I'm still here really. Yeah. I'm coming back with the YouTubes. This is what I want to talk to you about as well. I've got a bloke, not a lad, who's going to do my YouTube videos for me. He's going to edit them for me. Not this one, I'm going to put this one on myself and stay later. But my next vlog I do, hopefully this week, I'm going to film one. And I'm going to send him all the clips and he's going to edit it for me, put it all together. And send it back to me, and then I can put it up. So it cuts out all that editing time because editing takes so long, you wouldn't believe how long it takes. It's not a case of just film your day and whack it on. You got to film your day, and then when you get back, you got 2 hours of footage to get down to about half hour. Yeah, I haven't really got time for that, especially with TikTok, Instagram. What else? Oh, what my merch I'm doing now. I'm doing merch! Trucker Tim merch is now live. You can find the link on my TikTok bio, and I'll put a link in the description actually of this video. So if you fancy a Trucker Tim hoodie, that's all I've got at the moment. 4 different styles of Trucker Tim hoodie, but there's more coming. I'm going to do mugs, hats, scarves, umbrellas, do the whole lot actually. Umbrellas, Trucker Tim umbrella, yes! What about a Trucker Tim windbreak when you're on the beach? If you've got any suggestions, send me a message. Yeah. Send me a message, send me an email with suggestions. I don't know why I thought a windbreak just then. Where'd that come from? So yeah, like I say, I'm just coming around Peterborough. Peter. Should be back at the yard about, it's going to be about 11:30, I think. Something like that. Got a lane closure up here. Oh no! Oh no! Well, that didn't last very long, did it? That was a small lane closure. I'm back at the yard. Well, this isn't the yard, is it? No, it's not. I'm back basically near the yard. Just going to get some fuel from here. Ready for tomorrow, because I think this lorry's going to Manchester in the morning. So let's get some fuel in the old gimp. Right. Out of the nice clean cab. Let's have a glove. Somebody asked me on TikTok why I wear gloves fueling up my truck. Well, because I don't want to get COVID and I don't want to get bloody petrol smelling hands. This is hard to do one-handed. There we go. Get that off. Don't know why I bought the keys. Diesel. Let's go. There we go. We're off. 155 litres. Oh my god! Whoops. There we go. Let's get this back to the yard. Get it tipped. Right then, let's see if we can find Roger and Lidden Pops for their first, I think it'll be their YouTube debut. Oh Christ, there's a lorry on the way bridge. Thomas. Let's see if we can find them for their YouTube debut. Here he is, look, James! There's the road sweep in there, can you see that? I'm just eating some crisps while I wait. Oh. Come on! Oh, we're off. Now, where are you, Roger? And Jess? Hiding. Roger! Hello, Roger. Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, Trucker Tim. How are you?
This is YouTube.
Hey, okay. How's your day been?
This is YouTube, Roger.
Hello, YouTube. How are you doing?
This is different. This is
lovely day today too. The sun is out.
Look at that.
Lovely blue sky.
Brilliant.
I'm driving my truck, wearing my seatbelt.
Look at you.
I'm a good
Look
boy.
Look at you go. Alright, I've got to tip this skip, Roger.
Oh, wait there, I've got something for you, Tim.
Oh, look.
How's your day been, alright?
Who's that in there?
This morning.
In bed. I laid late this morning.
Ooh. In bed?
Yeah, been to Scunthorpe.
Smash
You
it.
look happy with that.
Well, I better carry on. Have a lovely day.
There we go. That was Robbers. Robbers? That was Roger's YouTube debut. Just put the paperwork in the hut. Now I've got to find somewhere to tip this. Need to tip this paper. Oh God, I ain't gonna be able to, am I? You gonna get down there? I might just park it up. I'm gonna park it up and go to my next job. Solid. Yeah, we'll go to do the next job, and then we'll tip this when we get back. Well, a quick lorry change then. I thought I was gonna have to take that one, but I'm gonna take this version 4. Get my card in. There we go. Yeah, we'll take this bad boy. So it sits in the yard, so I'll just take this. Oh, hey! Alright, let's get to the job in March and I'll speak to you there. It's only up the road, take me about 5 minutes to get there. Hey, I'll put you in there, in the middle of the wheel. So this is where I'm going, just over here. You can't see that because you're down there. Oh, I forgot to bring my tripod. Ah, good. So left indicator on. Don't do very much. Don't do most of my chin this angle, does it? So this dash. Oh, you slipped down a bit. There'd be 4 lorries here now. I'm here. I've just come by this place. Just driven by this place, and there weren't no one here. Now there's 2 lorries here. Good. Get that off now. So yeah, I'll show you. So yeah, this cab is basically exactly the same as the hook loader, but this is a lot more comfortable to drive, a lot quieter. Yeah, and just a lot nicer to drive than the hook loader. There goes one off the weighbridge. This one should now go on. Go on. On you go. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Oh God, he's a good one. We're in. That's what we're collecting, all that cardboard. Get these curtains open. Woo-hoo. Right, now we'll have to wait for a forklift driver. Fast forward about half hour then. We've got a forklift driver. Here he is, look. Getting me loaded up. A little bit steady, but it's better than no forklift driver, I suppose. We're loaded. Get these curtains done up. One more. There we go. Some scrubs. There we have it. Right, let's get back to the yard. My Weybridge ticket. Let's go. Phew, that's been about 10 seconds. For me, it's been 2 hours I've been here. Well, no, 2 hours, 15 minutes actually, from when we turned up. That was a slow old job, that was. Oh, hello. That was a slow old job. Gotta get back to the yard now and get it unloaded. Luckily, you're only 5 minutes from the yard. Otherwise, today would be a late day. It's 2:15 now. Yeah. Oh. Boo. Whoa, car's coming. No one's gonna let me out, are they? I better put a belt on. Got the old Karens on here commenting. At 15:04, you wasn't wearing your seatbelt for precisely 10 minutes. No. But I do wear my seatbelt all the time. I've just forgotten. Actually, you couldn't actually tell if I had it on or not, could you? Oh, come on! I want to get on. I'm going to block off in a minute. If not, I'm just going to sit here all day. Put the indicator back on. I have to do some blocking off. What are you doing about 4 miles an hour? Right, here we go. I'm just going to block off. I'm just going to pull out. I'm going to go for it. If you hear a bang, you know why. Woo. Sit there all day. Yeah, we're out. I don't think anyone hit us. Hope we're good. Right, let's get us back to the yard. I'll speak to you there. We're back again. I don't need to go on the weighbridge because we weighed in and out at the place, if you remember. If you don't remember that, you've got a really bad memory because it was only like 2 seconds ago in the video. Around we go. Oh, there's a lorry in there. Oh no. Now I've got to wait for that lorry to load. Ugh. Pull up here on the left. There we go. Oh, 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 big hole, big hole. I think this one's finished now. Should be pulling out in a minute. I think I just heard Roger! Here's a little shred truck's turning up now. Yeah, look, there's Roger. Nearly crashed into that truck. Where's Joshy boy? I've not seen Joshy boy today yet. Joshy boy! There he is. Hello. I need a quick tip.
You need a quick what?
See you later, Josh.
See you later, Josh.
Oh, it's coming out now. Does that mean I can
move, boss?
Does that mean I can pull in?
You can pull in slowly and safely.
I will pull in slowly and safely.
Wonderful. I like your style.
Hey, it's Joshy boy's brought his X5 in today, look. Go on, Joshy boy, give it some. Whoa! Bloody maniac. Right, let's pull in. Let's get her wound up. Ooh. There we go. Right, let's get in there. Get the curtains undone. Let Roger tip us. Let's go. Pull her on in. Pull her on in. Look out! You're in the blooming way, Roger. Not a lot of room in here today, Roger. What's all this?
It's a bit tight at the moment.
A little bit tight.
Yes, a little bit tight. We've got a lot of product.
A lot of product.
And nowhere to put it.
Oh no.
So
Right.
my apologies, but your driving skills are
We're second to none. Second to none. Right, I'm going to undo my curtains, then you
undo
can.
your curtains, boss, and
You
I
ain't
will
got-
tip you.
You need a time truck for my
I need a
job.
time truck, okay? I will go and find me one of those vehicles.
Off he goes. Bosh! Oh, well caught. Nearly dropped my phone then. Doing a splendid job, Rog. Seeing Jesus as he really is. I bet Roger like that. The practice of biblical meditation. Oh, you've already got one, Roger. You've already picked one up.
Yes, I'm halfway through it.
Roger's on fire. He's got this last stack of 3 on the back. You have smashed that, Rog.
Smashed it.
YouTube and TikTok.
Multi-talented.
Thank you for doing my curtains up, Roger.
It's always a pleasure. It
Never
really
a chore.
is. It's lovely to see you at the end of the day.
And you, Roger.
I'm going to do the paperwork now.
Are you going home?
I'm going home in about 10 minutes.
Nice, nice. Home, ready for the chase.
Home, ready for the chase and make my wife's lovely tea.
Ready for the chase. Do you make the tea, Roger?
For you, the chase is over.
Do you make the tea at home?
I make the tea.
Do you
when
make
I
the
get
food?
home. Yes.
Oh.
I cook. It's a long story.
I'll
My wife
pause
works
it.
away from home. Better. She comes. She goes to work Tuesday, Wednesdays.
Yeah.
But she works from home the rest of the week.
Ah.
So
Very good.
for them 2 days,
You cook.
I get home first.
And you cook.
Liddy makes tea. Super lid.
Right, I'm going to get this lorry
You
parked
get
up.
this lorry parked up like you normally do.
I'll see you tomorrow, Roger.
You will. I'll look
See you
forward to
later.
it.
See you, mate.
There you go.
Let's get this lorry backed in. Where shall I put it? Oh, God. I've either got to go there or in there. What should we do? I think I'm going to go there. Way! There we go. Oh, no, I just got grease on my hand. Off there. Oh. All parked up. Some blue roll here. Look at that lot. Get that off. I get my card out now. 3:15. Not bad. So it'll be a 3:30 finish time we're done. UK. Where's my paperwork? Oh, I'm all over the shop in here. Where all my stuff is, a completely different truck. Ejecto. Yes, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. That's wasn't really a vlog. It's kind of a vlog, but not a vlog. Not a full day vlog. If you enjoyed this, because this was a lot easier for me to make. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments. Give us a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, guys, because this was so much easier for me to film and edit, because I've not filmed like every single bit, every single thing I've done. I've just done like bits, and it's been a lot easier to edit. So please let me know in the comments if you don't mind this sort of vlog where I'm not filming like from start to finish, where I'm just doing bits throughout my day. And in the winter time, what I might do as well is start the vlog when it's daylight and not in the dark, because filming in the dark is absolutely awful. I might do a little bit in the dark, but generally I think I'm going to start filming in the day, especially in the summer. But especially in the winter. But when the summer comes, hey, Joshy boy over there, look. Come on in. Come here. Bring your X5 in, Josh. Bring it in. Here he is. Look at that. Gangster. How much for an ounce?
200.
There we are, that's just spoke to Joshy boy. If you want to see me speaking to him, head over to my TikTok, there's a video on there. Like I just said, let me know in the comments if you don't mind this sort of vlogus. Keep them a bit shorter, bit more compact, bit more action-packed. Right, I'll just finish off my paperwork and then I'm going to go home. So yeah, please give us a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't. I'll speak to you later, guys. Cheers.